is Life Lessons. This is my 9th week after my double mastectomy. I'm walking a nature trail. If you can see here. Walking a nature trail. And I'm out here with my daughter. But because I'm walking so slow, I told her to go ahead and get her nature on, and we'll meet up a little later on when she's on her way back, because I still don't feel the best to be doing this. But I wanted to do it. I wanted to come out and get a connection here with God and, let him know how thankful I am to be alive 9 weeks after a double mastectomy. As you guys know, I have to have the second surgery. Today is October 27th, the second surgery, 2023. And the second surgery is supposed to be December 15th. That's where I'll be having a deep flap procedure. And for those of you who don't know what that is, that's when they take your stomach fat and replace it where my chest is. I'm doing a whole lot better. My right side is a little uncomfortable with the feeling there is like uncomfortable. But as you see, I'm walking, I'm doing me, so I'm a lot better. And I guess, even though I didn't want to see that that's what the doctor was saying, I guess he wanted me to be, almost healed before I have a second surgery, so that, it's not so much on my body. That's what I'm doing now. But anybody who is gonna go through this surgery or is going through the deep flap surgery, I just want to be here as motivation. You see, it's 9 weeks and I'm out here walking and trying to connect with God and nature. And I wanted to talk to you guys and just let you know how I'm doing. So anyway, I'm kind of lost for words here, so I'll just say that it's Life Lessons, and I will talk to you guys next time.